Lingevinje umsakazo Inanda 88.4 FM. Today's best radio Lingevinje ngempela sithi asilungiseni siqale ngawo umbhedesho sithi inkosi sithembele kwena 17 minutes past 9 o'clock sesikhona Ndlovukazi Mapulu Thabo Sambothi kanye noNdabenhle wakamnyeza sithi asilungiseni sikhuthaza ukuhamba ezimisweni zikaMveli Nqangi ukuzazi nokuzithanda kanti ke kulesi sikhathi samanje ke khona into efanele ibaluleke ukuthi siyabonga kakhulu kunina boza kwethu Felicia sizwile le ukuthi hayi asithandeni bafowethu ake sithandeni nje kube ilento ukuthi siba neqiniso kithina ungazuzu uyofuna uba neqiniso komunye umuntu kangabi kulona kuwena ukhohlisa bani wenzela bani konke okwenzayo. Alright, sisalihlala ke siyacela ukukhumbuza inamba 0687619969 ilaso besixoxa khona kanye nawe.
You've done all you can.
Aha, ngiyithanda le ngoma. Ngithanda kakhulu ngoba ithi uma ungasakwazi ukwenza lutho ungasenako ongakusho ungasenako ongakofara just stand. Sekukhulume konke kwakuningi just stand. All right?
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. These may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Yes, injalo. Angibingelele ke bafowethu sibingelele umlaleli kulolu suku lanamhlanje.
Ngibingela abalali benanda FM simbonga umdalo ozonomhlaba osiphi ukuzithanda ukuzithemba ukuqotho ukuzinikela ungaqoloti sime phezulu kwamagquma azenza abantu abazi kakhulu kepha sibe nenkonzo yokuzehlisa uthando ukuzinikela ukucubungula sicubungule ukuze siqoqe ulwazi.
Izindaba ekucubungula ukuze siqoqe ulwazi Thabo Sambothi.
Masiqoqe ulwazi silibuyisele kubanini balo ukuze balisebenzise knowledge application. First information, second now applicability. Knowledge balisebenzise ukuze impilo zabo ziququke.
Siyabonga kakhulu Thabo Sambothi.
Siyabonga Ndlovukazi umdala evumile nakho sesiphinde sahlangana futhi kulolu luhlelo sithi asilungiseni sibingeleleke kuyindawo ngeindawo la umlaleli esilalele ekhona kukhona nabalaleli kade sabagcini uma Mhlongo wami washo nathi
Singambuza ke.
Umhlongo uzovela la vele la kumina.
Sigambuza ke.
Bakhona ona la emlazi.
Nomqali wendlela ubaba unalo khona. Umhlophekazi uyavela phela kade siningi.
Kojubani lo eseClermont oyethethe isiXhosa.
Ubudvuyo. Washo napho ubudvuyo. I was expecting ukuthi nje basekune TikTok ubudvuyo would be very prominent but he just disappeared.
No, babuya abantu bakwethu. Okay, Ndabenhle and Sithabo siyazi ukuthi ngalesikhathi sabingelela nje what's going on, what's up emhlabeni kaThixo. Kuphi ku viral, kuphi ukukhulunywa ngako. Because phela you asilungiseni. So ama issues fanele kubonakala ukuthi wakhuluma
ngoba South African consumed ngemadlanga commission.
Kune series entsha TV.
Kune series entsha. Yeah, it's a Netflix type of a thing. Netflix in a series. It has taken control of people.
Yeah.
And what I found amazing is affecting how they see themselves. Imadlanga Commission and this revelation is sending fear, uncertainty, anxiety, and to a certain legion of our population is causing depression.
Ne?
Yeah.
Depression to who? To us?
Yeah, ulahlekelwa ithemba. Because here is the deal. For the African National Congress to go back to power, they'll have to copy what other dictators have done in Africa. They must put aside to 2 billion and target the church. The church is the most vulnerable body. Target the church. then they'll get back to power. But through easy means, goodbye, baby.
Hayi bo.
Baby, goodbye.
Uthabo wena nangundaba eteshini.
Kumina le series lena it's about diversion kuma topics are serious as affect time ngoba kubhizi kukhulunywa ngamathenda abantu abantshontshile athena which is okay ku right phela abantshontshile but into enza ngithi mina is just a diversion from the real issue ngoba masikhumbula lethi iqale ngathi ikhomba ama drugs indaba athi kulandelwa abantu abama drugs abantu bama drugs abathintwa ke South Africa ayithintwa nje indaba ama drugs so isi shifting focus akusakhulunywa ngendaba ama drugs kukhulunywa ngemali edliwe eThembisa Hospital. My question is Jobidliwe esibhedlela ke eThembisa Hospital. Lezi ezinye ayidliwe ka government egcwele
izolo. Usho ukuthi mhlambe ku obvious like ku too much.
Ku too much.
Mabesiveza lama video abana ya intejana.
Imali yadliwa nje kulelizwe all over. Eyami indaba ithi isishifta kakhulu ibheka lona kuphela ayibuza imibuzo manje ngama drugs khona bebe khonjwa kuma drugs lapha kodwa mase kuhlelwe kumadlanga commission akusabuza ukuthiwa wena kwathiwa umbandakanyeka kulona ngokuthi kuthiwa wena i-container wathi kwakunjani ayithinto yama drugs
ngibonile khona nenye kade sanda kutholakala i-container so is that the only thing now that's consuming me in South Africa Khona i-container efikile nje kade kade khona khona lapha so now I want us masikhuluma ngalezi ndaba fowethu ukuthi sibuye sithi like sikwazi ukuyixhumanisa Thabo indaba enhle lento yokuthi esikhuluma la mase asilungiseni khona lento efanele ihlehle ibuyele ku conscience
yes
ibuyele konembeza bethu because what is happening okay uthi indaba enhle loss of hope nami nje ngiyayibuza ngichaza ingane zethu kuyobanjani so what do we do asilungiseni bafowethu
ake siqale phansi ndlovu singayihijack
yeah in solution
no the whole conversation iqale kahle awamanje sivene wayithatha wayibeka into the theme of it when the kaze
le namhlanje
yeah
sengene kuyani
usungene wathi qala kata
cabanga lapho mina ngithi kusathi nje sixoxa ngezizwe
usungene wathi qala kata well because maybe let's define the word deism yeah
what's that
bhala phansi bhala ngoba wena we are a scholar ngiwazi kahle very scholaristic deism it's DEISM yeah ngothanda futhi ukuthi kule nkonzo yangoleseleni bana no mama yeni icubungule deep lento ngoba izonisiza kakhulu ke ni break it down ngesizulu deism is a belief that a supreme being created the universe but does not intervene in its affairs.
Supreme being created?
Angipinde futhi. Deism is the belief that a supreme being created the universe but does not intervene in its affairs.
Okay.
Whereas the atheism no creator, nothing, the world is running on its own autopilot. Now I've always asked myself a question, ukuthi muphi umehluko phakathi kwe atheism ne deism? Ngibona befana bobabili.
Atheism.
Yeah.
How so?
Okay, lo munye ukholwa ukuthi no there must be a supreme being power. Lo munye there isn't. Kodwa futhi u-deist sithi yona the supreme power I intervene in the affairs of the people. Yeah. Now, that is why ubone emhlabeni isizwe nesizwe sa creator a god that subscribes to their beliefs. Now, this is big. Each and every nation yazakhela umdali or subscriber to inkolelo yawo. There was no God who gave us asikholwe kanje asenze lokho. That was the imagination of the prophets claiming manifestation. Yini pho abaprophets ba manifest izinto eziningi engahlangani. If that came from one source. hence ke kwafoseleka ukuthi umhlaba ucreate into ekuthiwa i-theology, which is a study of God, of which is secondary Christian ayifuna ukuyibona leyo nto. If you can't study God, ngoba ifuna ukunhlanhlatha izenzele izinto zayo, ingalandeli a procedure, order and discipline that comes with academic truth and reality.
That's senkingeni singonakile.
Njengoba ngishuthi uyabona le topic namhlanje deep kakhulu. I-deep and nginokho nginomkhuleko engathi abalaleli benanda FM bangayilandela kahle stage libangalwi bangabi nama emotion bayibuke njengoba injalo. Ngake ngenza umzekelo ngathi mina kahle hle religions are not monotheistic but they are henotheistics. Izinkolelo zinonkulunkulu ekholelwa kubona ngoba neChristianity ihenotheistic ikholelwa kumdalozi nomhlaba and same dali buyimbiza ngendoda eyafika emhlabeni yafa then escaped miraculously through the interesting AI system yabile ezulwini.
Okay.
You know,
konje isengilahlile ntuze yami ngicela usikhumbuze ukuthi konje
henotheistic ukholelwa ekutheni kunomdali kodwa kunabanye onkulunkulu abambisene nabo. Yeah.
Yabona nayo lento lento ezosididisa
ngeke nje ngazeke isididise.
No ngisho lo i-case where sikhuluma ukuthi kunomdali and then ngizochaza kahle bese sibuye
akasidli indaba zabantu
esikhulume
uqinisile nje akasidli indaba zabantu simungunye indaba zabantu bese ke
sibuyela kulezi ezithinta thina. All right, uNonduduzo Novalo usekhona. Angiyazi ke le mayisizokwenza nje but ke siyashaya manje isikhathi uNonduduzo uza nezindaba zezwe sizozikwenzakalani emhlabeni sakhile kanti ke ngicela ukuthi usondeze ipen nephepha ubuqala usenda ku WhatsApp mangabe khona ungaqondi kahle ubuze bakhona igama lesingisi esingalisho kahle sondela mpimo ukuze siphume la sizwana sonke futhi si understandana God esilekelela umoya ongcwele nalapho. Okay, Nonduduzo. Asibonge kakhulu kuZoe Mudiha ethi umdali angikukhumbuze ke siku asilungiseni indlovukazi Mapulu Thabo kaSabothi kanti ke okwanamhlanje ke udaba lwethu nje lucace ba esikhuluma ngako are God's tragedy of the lost generation. Sesibuyile ke isikhathi u10 o'clock. Please ngiyacela uma ufuna kuba ingxenye yohlelo ungabuqala ubuza 0687649969 ukuze kuthi lapha 11 o'clock sithole ithuba lokuthi nawe sikwazi ukuphendula. All right, Dabenhle wakamiyeza
Ephesians 1 verse 11.
Ephesians 1 verse 11 sesuvulile. Do you want me to read?
Please read Ntondlo verse.
Ephesians 1 verse 11 states that believers are chosen and have an inheritance through Christ, having been predestined according to God's will and purpose. It explains that God works all things according to his man, and those who just put their faith in Christ are set apart. His glory, the scripture, but in him we were also chosen as God's own.
The New Testament writer Paul assures us that Father does indeed everything under control, but to be as contradicted as a predestination. Christians don't believe in predestination, but there are Christians that believe in predestination. So what was I trying to portray? People begin to question, is really God in control? Who controls the weather? Who controls havoc, the volcanoes? Who funds and controls the wars? And why does God allow these wars to go on in life? So look, Sabakona now, Sazalo Empini. It clear kumini ukuthi sinawe sothi sishiye emhlabeni mase sino 85 88. So shiya izimpi futhi ngemove.
Ne?
It's clear. probably thina sothi sihambe emhlabeni because I'll die at the age of 89 or 90. By the time ngishona when I'm 90 years old, I swear Ndlovukazi, the third world war would have happened. Now where is God to stop that from happening?
Yeah, where is God? Who is God?
Yeah, ngake ngachaza ngathi people are dying before their time. Because of trauma and stress levels. They've got what I call neuroinflammatory brains, neuroinflammatory brains, as a result of severe amount of stress, uncertainty, and unpredictability. Every time umuzo hamba uyemsebenzini kufanele ukhuleke, because chances are that you might not come back. Yeah.
Phithizela
kakhulu. Umkwakhe drive imoto ima ukhuleke, because chances ukuthi ubuye naye futhi awu 0%. So umubuyile uyabonga ukuthi Jehova ngiyabonga ukuthi sesesandleni kumina.
Okay.
So ngizama ukuthi ngamanye amazwi, who is in control? Why do I get a belief asiyaka lento of attributing a lack of control kuma invisible forces? Because kwakona lokho ukuthi why wouldn't God control those forces? It's still a question mark to me. You know.
Yeah.
Okay. We're battling with spirits, isn't it?
Yeah.
But let's get down to it, guys. 18 abantu ever seen a covenant in a memoir.
Yeah.
Again, the example eyodwa how human beings of covenant. Njalo mangiya ehotela uNdlovukazi ngizolala ehotela bengithi ngiyiphethe or ama clothes. Yawazi ama clothes?
Yes, I do.
Yeah. Ngivamisa ukuphatha ama clothes. So ngiyengicela for ukuthi ngicela bangilethele amanzi abilayo. Ngekap. And then what I'll do, ama clothes ngizowacrusha ngiwafake kulamanzi. Abile. Bese ngiphatha either umsuzwana omncane khona oku laptop yami sikhombenza laptop so waguga ngafathi ungahleki
awuthathephi
ngake mahlongo.
Okay,
kodwa umuhle umuse green umsuzwana. And people are saying a obsession, why do you do that? Thatha I hotel room eyodwa Ndlovukazi, when you travel a lot, you've left. Have you ever been in a hotel room where kungalalekanga kwaze? Yeah, vumela phezulu ngoba konke kwenzeka
hayi buke kwenzeke.
How many people were there that slept there? Lompete had sexual covenants, emotional covenants, death covenants, and isibuko lesesihle esilapha eduze kwe TV. That's where they mirrored themselves. Bashiya ama image, unprinted image of trauma and depression of themselves.
Yeah.
Abanye bahlangana kuleyo room bezohlukanisa iluthi yokwebiwa. Abanye kwakuzoplanwa ukubulawa. They left the spirit of death and the name of that person owagcine bulawile bamshiya khona.
Sure.
Igama lakhe.
Sure.
You know. Yeah. So then comes an Asilungiseni follower. And they said, wait, mina I'll bring in clothes. If kungenjalo thengi agabadi le yamande. Ngoba kusho lutho ngoba ama petals amahlamvu.
What is agabadi?
Agabadi ilo sesibonishiswe ngama sticks. There's nothing into that thing. Amahlamvu eimbali.
Okay.
Ake ngiphinde futhi.
Clean the space.
Uthatha irose yomisa bese uyisong uyimanzisa bese uyibeka ku stick sekuyi agabadi leyo.
Oh, okay.
Nohlobo olutshelwe imbali. So uyishisa khona erumini yakho, because otherwise uzophuma nemimoya yabantu abakha ama covenant lapho.
The travelers, the tourists.
Yeah. Akekho umuntu unstable njenge tourist. And tourist ubabona imibuye ekhaya kade travelile for 5 days or so ibuya disoriented. Abantu abakuboni lokho ukuthi njalo emadele emahotel ubuya disoriented. You know, kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi uacclimatize uadjust back to your own environment.
Yeah.
That is why abantu aba unknowledgeable. First thing mayenza uchikela ikwamathi ngicela nje uyogeza.
Yeah.
Ageze futhi ingubo zakhe ayishiye e-bathroom.
No salt. Somebody advised on rough salt. Yes.
Salt. Usawoti uyawuthenga abaningi they buy salt. Ubeke eduze kwe side bed yakho. large amount of salt ushintshe kanjalo uma usuhamba ungahambi la ushiye lapho because that salt would have saved a lot of emotional and cognitive chaos and distortion. So ngifuna ukuvalidate uThabo mekhuluma ukuthi we are battling with spirits here and akudlalwa. So the question is, where is the Almighty to control that? Why abantu abaningi babe ignorant of that? Only a few handful babe aware. Akakhuluma ngama-sexual covenants ndlovukazi. Ngifuna ukukhombisa how damaged human beings are when it comes to sex. Ndlovukazi, ayikho into ene-covenant e-deadly njengocansi. You know, ucansi, you surrender yourself to be flayed by someone.
Sure.
Okay, let me take you step by step because we understand how painful your covenant in sex is. Every time a female body receives sperms, it rejected, it secretes a lot of CD8 cells. CD8. Now, ebese yasuka ibonke azanjalo. Ebese yawa modify. Ukuze aphile under its control of the immune system ngalo muntu lo host. Yes. So usisi abese shintsha amadoda mhlawumbe abe u6 or 8. So the cytokines, the CD8 cells have to modify those, and there's a danger which escape in the bloodstream. Now lo muntu osifazane ke ndlovukazi ngizoya kwesitisi kwenzakalani kena ngoba ungacabanga ukuthi it's about a female thing. Uyabona ke lo muntu osifazane, so she's carrying dislodged DNA 09 with 9 different men that he has been with. Leanto ndlovukazi izo affect her devastatingly cognitive approach yakhe, causing her to be emotionally distorted. Uzoba argumentative. Uma kuzwa kwindebe zama-relationship unolaka uya-agwisha uya-debate akafuni ukutshelwa nje ngama-relationships. Yini ekhanda la kubhibhidla lawo ma-DNA amaningi abantu abangafani. I-DNA yombulali, i-DNA yomdlwengulu, i-DNA ye-abortionist, i-DNA yomuntu ogreedy, ojealous, i-DNA yomuntu nje who's lost wabaleka ekhaya. So all this DNA is now under her tutelage, and it's threatening to dictate how she perceives the world, causing what we call perception dysregulation. Ndlovukazi, siya kumuntu wesilisa ngafuna ukuchithela isikhathi. Hamba kupapabala ushiya imbewu yakho all over the place. Ngesikhathi ushiya le mbewu, it leaves what I call a spiritual void within you. Now, once umuntu wesilisa wa develop a spiritual void, a common sense goes away. First, umuntu wesilisa uya present with spiritual symptoms, spiritual disorder symptoms. Oh, Ndlovukazi, what did I say? Spiritual yeah.
Symptoms.
Symptoms. Abe incoherent mekhuluma. Abe nenkani. Angafuni ukutshelwa.
Yeah.
Abe akhulumele futhi. Ndlovukazi.
Yeah.
Akhulumele futhi. Abe ne-anxiety. Ebese number 3, I guess nje sibeke the psychological ones. I guess sibeke manje the psychological ones, spiritual personality disorders of a person uhambelana nabantu besifazane. One, uba ne-paranoia, abe nama delusional belief system, mindset yakhe when it comes to religious, mental, spiritual is so disorganized. Uba ne-social withdrawal, aphuze kakhulu utshwala.
Okay.
Yeah. His seed that controls his destiny has been taken away.
Yeah.
And it's in the wrong uterus.
I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear you.
Ay, Lalan. Qhubekani bafowethu. You should not have think last week.
Akusikusho kuthini. Ah my goodness, ngaphandle
So, ngizama ukuthi, is God still in control? Why do I have a belief which is somehow uNkulunkulu ake ngasho ukuthi God Almighty? I'll specify my reason. Engathi lo esimdumisayo umhlaba udedele kwi-autopilot. Yeah.
Uzenze.
I'll back it up with the very same Christian ideology.
Sure.
The ideology that says it's a self-will. Oh, of course. Ever since a self-will, honestly, the disaster that you have caused on this earth is unsurmountable.
Sure.
Uthabo one day was at pains. Hey, umntaka Samboti echaza i-world order.
Hey, remember that.
Yazi Uthabo brought books where step by step spoke about papers akhona angazi amasekhona online. And amaphepha ayechaza how the world was going to be reset so that those that control our destiny could still convert us into marketable beings. Now abantu gawazi abantu bathi conspiracy theories basho abantu kodwa still they're living under that control. Okay, I guess an example. Njengamanje i-destiny yomntwana wase South Africa even iyasurrender ku TikTok easily. Now Facebook. The destiny of a black child easily has been handed over to TikTok. Let's make examples. How do you explain ukubona ingane ku TikTok eno 14 years inikeza ama advice omshado?
Kon kanjani?
Whoa.
Hayi David.
Awukazi babona TikTok.
Oh.
Let's talk about marriage.
No, just
Let's talk about marriage. An 18-year-old to sashintsha abafana aba 13. Let's talk about marriage.
Mhlawumbe ukhuluma lendlela enayibuka ngayo kulabo abadala sebeshadile because that perspective sayidinga sometimes. All right, ake sithi kuba kancane ke siyabuya with uNdabenhle Miyeza noThabo akaSamboti Ye of God's Tragedy of the Lost Generation. Seyindabeni njengamanje uNonduduzo wakaNomvalo usekhona. Into ebalekile ukuthi as engaging before to come. Let's reason together. 068-764-99 9969 izizongikhinca loludaba ngoba manje kuningi ukuranela ikhandi lami angazi noma nawe kuyarana but makurana kuningi ungakhali kakhulu. Come, let's reason together. Ungadideki kona sikufunayo ukuthi siveze lemibono ehlukahlukene kuona lo msakazo. All right,
nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM noNonduduzo Nomvalo.
Aha, unathi uthi silwa nemimoya nkosami asibambeni nanyama nagazi kodwa nje silwa nemimoya yiloko isikhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Yeah, ye are gods
Entered into many covenants. Hayi ke yabona ama covenants esasingene kona maningi kakhulu.
into ebhlungu ke Ndabenhle ukungena kulama covenants asatsheli ke lababezayo ukuthi ihamba kanje bese iyalahleka lento endleleni sengathi manje yini yani ukuze siyo consulta ngaphandle into yangaphakathi. Hey ngivele ngifeli
ukuzikhaza ngomoya. Once wenza icovenant nomoya, obvious umoya uzodictate ini Ndlovukazi uzodictate phela indlela efanele uthathe decision ngayo. Ayenze example. Kukhona into eyamanyala eyenziwa abantu kodwa every acceptable every to be correct, it's wrong. Leyanto Ndlovukazi ngaqala ukuinvestigate ngo2012. Up to this day it has got no historical foundation and bayiphika abantu kwaZulu. This year iyaphikwa umunye ulokuza usomlando efemale. Ngiyakhohle igama lakhe ngizokhuluma ngaye. Sasinaye sobabili sikwi conference yokuhlolwa kwabantwana. Right. Ndlovukazi ayenze example. Lento ukuthi uma umemulo bese ninikeza ingane umkhonto bese yokuhlaba phambi kwabantu. I-wrong lento Ndlovukazi.
Why?
Because uma uhlaba umkhonto phansi you're declaring a war and you're calling for blood.
Ouches. Hey! Smaka.
Serious. ilaste kanjani imendo yengane zethu zihlaba imkhonto phansi before they get married. That's why these marriages end in blood.
Yo.
Uhlaba umkhonto phansi endaweni yabantu, you are challenging him, you are declaring blood. Then you have a daughter oyihlabela inkomo, the next thing uyasuka ihamba ihlaba umkhonto phambi kwabantu and then earn money. That's why ingane zethu ziyiprostitute kanjena. So ngizama ukuthi siyawabhala ama covenant ngo carelessness yethu.
Nkosi ngokunganaki, ignorance.
Ngokunganaki bese
surely khona
bese siyagwisha ke yo angikholwa khona isizwe esiagwisha njengama South Africans. Our children are asking questions and we're failing dismally. Let's talk about the anger, guys. Why are our children so angry?
They are angry bakithi.
Is angry lezengane. Yini zidla kabi, zidla udoti. Awukwazi ukuhuqa ushizi, uCoca-Cola, usweet, uchocolate processiwe, udle ama Doritos ano aspartame anama food coloring. Ingondo ibe right isine food coloring. So what is going to happen? Your brain is going to color le disaster lapha And then guess what? You have a child and a poor input. Ngicela nivukeni bantu abaphela sesiyahamba. Ay ma ukahle hey. Is that necessary? Sinengane ingena boundaries ehamba zinqumule endlini phambi kwabafowabo.
Jeez.
Oh ma abaqoka inappropriately. Bese be defender lo doti lo. We have fathers that are absent in their families. And the world is watching. Angiphathi alcoholism. Yabo manje kudakwa ngisho ama fetus.
I was never ready for this.
How many times have I heard a woman that yazi into ebhlungu yenzeka kumina ngase ngino 16 weeks I was not even aware that I'm pregnant.
Ish.
Ebhizi uqoqa utshwala.
Aboma.
Dakwe fetus kube njani?
Nesperm esingenile sidakiwe.
Now I don't want to talk about sperm. A sperm never forgets. Sperm singozi kanje sona. Si collect yonke data yamanyala akho. Si convert into an epigene.
Ish.
Awuzibona uqeda. Cabanga uzale ingane ibridge, uzale ectopic pregnancy, zonke lezo zinto ake siye kuyibuka medical. Because medicine have got their answers, but let's look them at psycho-spiritual level. They have answers. The answers are out there.
Yeah, ne.
Njengoba kasenza umzekelo. Kade ngihambile ngawulala nonkosikazi womuntu for the whole day. Kwenzeke into ebhlungu ndlovukazi. Unkosikazi wami naye I feel this attraction towards me. Nacela simbathe. First in the morning I was sleeping with a married woman. Ntambama ngale nonkosikazi engishade naye. Cabanga ngizodikhobe first I violated le family yalwamuzi. Ngahlambalaza ingane zakhona, nga-undermine ubaba walwamuzi. Ngazo destroy ifabric yefamily yalwamuzi. Manje sengiyabuya ngiza unkosikazi wami ngizomdecovenant from my vows. And I'm expecting to live a long life ngithrive. Maybe ngingathrive because I'm a thief. But I'll never succeed in life. Maybe, and maybe financially ngaba na imali because I'm a thief, but I'll never succeed in life. And you wonder, ngihlaba njalo sekuyaphuzwa lekhaya mana nasemsamo wami asemsamo wami emsamo kunebhodlela leHennessy kunentaba ezimhlophe zakotini kunozukwa kunebhodlela elifakwa kokotini phakathi. What a mess is that?
Nayo inhlobo yotshwala.
What I'm saying ngokufaka utshwala emsamo, I'm creating a drunken generation. I'm destroying a generation. Ngeke kanjani ubane ngane angry ndlovukazi?
Yo, smaga.
Here is something else. I'm staying in a very poor environment. Right. If you understand a coded language, deliberate peace. Indlela ngihlala kuyona ndlovukazi. Udonga lu half. There is a bedroom the other side. There is a bedroom here. And there is a bedroom. Wonke lama bedroom awu half. So uma ephenduka uma wakhe uza enza noma yini uzwa yonke into. Nodadewethu ngalamechama ngoba phela wana ama toilet.
After that noma kufakiwe isilingi.
Isilingi ayikho
Okay.
because of abject conditions.
Yeah.
Udadewethu athandana nesigebengu. Yabo. Uma out of sheer desperation I tolerate. La sekufihla izinto zokuntshontshwa. And isigebengu sifike silale nodadewethu ngizwa yonke into eyenziwa udadewethu nani nesigebengu ngala uma usanendoda entsha naye bobabili uma nodadewethu bayaxovwa left and right mina ngala imanhood yami izintathazi angisebenzi le lisoka ladadewethu bekhonte liphonsayo. So what happens to my masculinity? Anger develops. Every time mangekhaya mina I have to listen to my sister having sex. Ngala I'm listening to my mother having sex nendoda yakhe. Angeyona baba wami by the way. And every day this rises a violence of anger inside of me. Now underline the coded name here. It's a violence of anger inside of me. And mina indlela engizotreata ngayo abantu besifazane if I have a relationship it's going to be gross. Njoba ngimshaya lo mntwana ngize ngibize lo maphoyisa angishayi yena ngishaya uma wami nodadewethu that every day when I get home I listen to them having sex with these people. Udadewethu on the left is having sex nesela lendawo laziwayo kufihlwa ngisho olokhuza amakhanda emoto lekhaya ngala uma saqoma uyaqoma unebhadla madoda yabo mina ngala ekhaya I'm surviving as a son. And abangihloniphi bobabili because angisebenzi.
Yebo. Ayikho abangayikhuluma.
Futhi ayikho into engayikhuluma nabo. Ndlovukazi, that is what we have set up. Now here's a question. Everything is possible with Jesus. Is that true?
It's a question.
It's a question. The statement that Ndlovukazi simnandi kabi kwami ngiyas appreciate. Everything is possible with Jesus. It's a theological concept based on Christian belief in God's infinite power. But how true is that?
Question.
How true is it ukuthi uJesu everything is possible with him? Okay, then I start rationalizing the statement. Angithi mina I'm a Bible thumper. Ngiyashumayela la ngima etopini. First, I'll make a very stupid preamble uma ngichazela umuntu. Ngithi enye into ezokusiza but before ngichazela statement ngizokuncenga ngiyazi lento engizokuncenga is too much for you ukuthi wamukela uJesu nomsindisi ngenkosi nomsindisi usho after me uphakamise lesandla. Okay, I'm entering into a debate. Instead of answering my question wenzani wena emall uzongiphakamisa isandla uthi angikhethe uJesu nenkosi yomsindisi. What are you doing? You are trying to coerce me into accepting izinto zakho as biblically unsounded and founded. Okay, nanguma
nasemgcwabeni vamisile ukwenziwa le
emgcwabeni konke cruelty nesadism yabefundisi abenza emgcwabeni. Abefundisi ba smart. These guys are very, very intelligent. They know ukuthi ni vulnerable. You are suffering immortality pain. Ukuthi enkulunkulu wami nami liyezo lwamusuku cabanga uhleli ulokucula amaculo esonto trying to dump the pain ulokuthi wena enhlizweni enkosi yami labhokisi nami kambe ngizolala lapha. So you are out of the body. There's an out of body experience. Ayikho into enengqondo buka indlela ozodlangana indlela ozodakwa ngayo after the funeral. Ngoba manje uzama ukwenza njani ukuyodamba leya pain. Our children are asking questions. That's our statement. The statement is interesting, ngoba everything is possible. Now let's carry it down. Knuckle down. Uma une cancer stage 4. Everything is possible with Jesus. Nango phela uma siye
akukho kumahlulayo kodwa yendlela
akukho kumahlulayo. Na cancer kama uma by is only 54. My younger sister is doing just her 38th varsity. By the grace of God, and the firstborn I finished my masters. Our younger sister is only doing grade 8. Nanguma, cancer stage 4. Bakubege, oh mama benkonzo. Everything is possible with Jesus. Abantu abaningalahla ithemba. Mina angifuni ukulahla ithemba mama. Ngifuna ukuface reality.
Yeah.
Kisumgcoba ngani uma? Yebo ngimkhavile but ipolice ayikamature. Hayi bantu abami ninephutha kakhulu.
Ngayi lapha.
Ningayi nje lapha musana.
Akuzukwenzeka.
Akukazi ukwenzeka. Everything is possible with Jesus.
My God. Senza ama promises man.
You are speaking for Christ. Wakusho ukuthi everything is possible with him.
Akakaza kusho.
Akazanga kusho. Thabo khona eBhayibhelini lethu Jesu khona everything is possible with him.
No.
Everything is possible with God. But oh God.
That's another problem. Here comes another problem. When you turn Jesus into a God, when Jesus was very explicit who is not God. Yabo onjovukazi ayengenzeka nje. Undabe noVenon are one. I and my father are one. Ngana I possess part of DNA sampling yakhe. Ezinye izinto engiyikhulume. I can tell you something. They come from eMahlongo ubaba when he was a deacon preaching to the locals. Iwang ingrainer. So I'm justified mangithi I and my father are one. But to transfer the God power, we reduce into a man. That's idolatry.
Apinde athi ku I don't know whether it's John 14 or something, but the Samaritan story, I'm not sure. Check manje uthi kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi ku John lokho uthi 14 noma 4 angisekho sure. But there is something that Jesus is quoted ethi ena uNkulunkulu umoya ufuna bazomkhonza bekumoya
abamkhonza ngomoya. That's true. Nangeqiniso.
Now mase kusho uJesu athi uNkulunkulu why skip it to uNkulunkulu nomoya. Yes, those are the things that we need to look into.
They always have a language of excuse. Bazothi no, he was a very human person.
Or was it humanized?
No, why is it Silweni Ntobeko? Yet Jesus saying in Ntobeko. Now if there's one human being, not God, who was very arrogant, it was Jesus.
You're taking this from the Bible?
Yeah, I'm taking from the Bible. The guy was arrogant.
Yeah.
He means no, he was never kind. Jesus was never kind. Ninanzalo ifebe nani nenyonga nani.
Amanza phuma yena.
Iyaphuma yena.
Uyozuba ukuthi konke epurugutshile nje siveza ukuthi lento isuka kumuntu umbhalo womuntu.
Oh, the Bible says there is a Nazarene and an irritating Nazarene young man, a revolutionary. He was a true revolutionary. There's one thing that I always love with Christ, his love for motherhood and women. Number one, Jesus was developed by an underage mother. Let's get this thing clear from the Bible. Jesus was raised by an underage mother. Maria did not have parental skills. That made Jesus adolescence rabbis. An indication of a young man who was struggling without the presence of a father was there.
Uhlangene ngani kokwami emshadweni newine kuzobikwa
umshado wakhe uthi makhayibo sekuphela iwine
wazihlangana lapho wena
uhlanganaphi.
No. We're still going to talk about
the problems that we're experiencing today. We have destroyed the fabric of faith. Faith not in scriptures, faith in science, faith in the cosmos, and faith in our sense of being, because we are gods of the Most High. Tabo.
All right, Tabo, 2 minutes just to introduce your take.
I know. Usehambe nakakhulu Timbani. Ye are gods. Kwasho yena uJesu futhi naye quote imbhalo ukuthi akulotshiwe embhalweni ukuthi nina ningonkulunkulu, which means we are gods. Uthi umdali uma esidala uthi asenze umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu in other words singumfanekiso kaMdali ingakho ke kuthiwa singuNkulunkulu wayakha abanye uNkulunkulu abantu abazomfuza kuze siphile a god life emhlabeni uthi uDimbane bathi all is possible with Jesus ngiyabavumela abasho njalo inkinga yabo bafike bathi all is possible with Jesus bona futhi babe against Jesus so ngeke akakwazi ukuthi izinto zibe possible ngoba kwabona abajike bamphikisa angazi ukuthi angazi lutho ngabafuni
so didn't upeni
sengiyathuka mina angazi yeah so all is possible ngempela with Jesus if uzolandela imfundiso zakhe let's say ukhuluma ngecancer Dimbane nangu umuntu unecancer kuthiwa all is possible with Jesus yes it's possible if benilandela imfundiso zakhe through diet bingeke kuphathe le cancer
sure
manje uJesu engayidli ingulube engazenzi zonke lezi zinto ezibhedayo kodwa wena as a Christian uthi no uJesu wafela ukuthi sidle ingulube sidle yonke lento ezogcina isibangela icancer
Nanda 88.4 FM. When we return, more of the music you love.
Usiphikilele uzawadi ya Mungu kuona umsakazi Nanda 88.4 FM today's best radio kanti ke natsoke indaba esisakuyona namanje yiyo cause bese ke ihambisana nalo line othi the tragedy of the lost generation Thabo
asking question uJogas ngicela abalaleli babe careful we are asking question SP we are asking question and we are seeking that in and discernment yeah please let's engage
let's reason together
we're asking question
all right Thabo what you think
siyabonga uDimbane phela manje kube ngathi ungahlala
nako singanisiza ngakho
ijob kuya ngathi nami ngahlala ngimlalela ngabe ngisale sengilalela nje ngize ngiyophuma kodwa ke ijob ethiwa nama ngidlule khona ngithikithe kubona ukuthi ngikhona ejobini yeah ake ngithi ukuhlehla kulama minute ngizohlehla ngize ngizofika kule esigcina ngayo manje ukuthi is it all possible with Jesus siqalela sithi umdali umuntu uthi udala abanye uNkulunkulu sidala umuntu ngomfanekiso wethu but there was an enemy ke elwa nokuthi umuntu angamfuzi uNkulunkulu ngaso sonke isikhathi so kunale yonkinga nayi incwadi lapha kaJeremiah 1:5 ngiyathanda ukudlula embhalweni ethi ngingakakubumba esiswini ngakwazi ungakaphumi esizalweni ngakungcwelisa ngakubeka waba umprofeti
even in Islam lelo besikhona phela kuQuran yeah
really?
He knows even the leaf that falls off the tree
yes so umdali esidala usaze esidala yabo so usidalile ukuthi sibe simfuze yena but there's an enemy ngaphandle esikwizama ukusididisa ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi singabi lento esiyiyona so
no point
so umdali isikhathi esesidalile bese kuba khona izinto ezikehluphe kakhulukazi omama ngoba kwi DNA code angikhulume ngibhekisa kakhulu kumuntu omnyama the original muntu owakwadalwa umdali so wasifaka kwi DNA iDNA yethu sinane melanin okuyizinto ezama transmitter which transmit straight sikwazi ukuxhumana nomdali without any middleman lento sokuthi usuyoconsulta manje usuconsulta nama ancestors yaba zonke lezo zinto eseyifikile ukuthi uyaconsulta usukhuluma namadlozi ukhuluma nana ukhuluma nomdali direct izinto lezi ezodidisa umuntu zimkhiphe endleleni kaMdali ingakho ethi ningabi nabanye uNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami ngoba wayazi ukuthi in between khona bazovela banifundise ezinye izinto ezizonikhipha kwile connection mina engidalile nani bese bethi consultant sekunabantu abangasekho ibona abakwazi lokhuza consultant ingilosi and whatever singabe saqhumana nomdali so ziningi izinto ezenziwayo ezenza umuntu omnyama lo uNkulunkulu ayifuna abe uNkulunkulu angabe sakwazi ukuba uNkulunkulu ngoba sekhathwa iconnection le ngithi through our DNA and our melanin ukuthi si connected direct thina nomdali.
Alright.
Uma ke sebekwenza ke lokho ke kufike lesizwe ke la kuthini ngithi fast forward nje lesesimhlophe saqala phezulu ke ku Egypt ko Kemet kufika uma Greek oma Roma bonke labantu bazosikhatha ofa nomdali but basikhatha ofa nje already kwathina bese sikhatha ofile
Yeah.
through ukukhonza lezi ezinye izintathu umdali singayikhonzi sayifaka thina wangena umlungu naye wafaka okwakhe umlungu owayefundile namanje uyakwazi lokho ukuthi thina we are gods njengoba asho umntathi ye are gods ningonkulunkulu uyakwazi lokho ukuthi we are gods.
Okay.
So now silahleke iphi njengoba sikhuluma nge the lost ukuthi si lost ke manje silahleke sisi generation lost si lost kanjani sibuela kanjani. So isitsha ke siwumlungu safika sathatha kakhulu lolu lwazi lolu kamdala esinike lona balithatha balibuyisela ngakulona ngoba bayazi ukuthi mabe nalolu lwazi thina singenalo bazokwazi bona ukusibusa thina yazi abelungisela ukubafika eAfrica I don't know how many thousands of years ago over 2000 years ago beloku bangena bengena ko Kemet mhlambe 3000 years ago. They only have one system abashangayo. They have a system inkinga yabo thina we don't have a system yokuthi sikwazi ukuthi siyibuse. We don't have a system even manje ngizwa abantu bethu umhlaba ubuyele emakhosini bese sibusa ngayiphi system. Abantu ngibane democracy bane socialism whatever ama system but they have a system ukuthi oh okay mase sibabusa laba sobabusa kanje nalo democracy ihlukene kaningi phakathi yabo khona constitutional democracy khona what democracy baningi labo they have a system awuthathwe umhlaba kuthiwa ubuyisele emakhosi azokwenzani. What's the system enzosibusa ngathi we don't have a system as umuntu omnyama. That's a fact.
Okuyini ukuvimba leyo nto isesibalekela ukuthi system power vele
asinayo system because laba bafika basenze ukuthi singabi nayo basiphuca yonke into njengoba kade ngichaza
and we are powerless
as long as ungena system ungazi ukuthi abantu yathi ngikhuluma nabanye izolo ngithi niyahlekisa lento ukuthi akubuyisela umhlaba emakhosini noma kwenziwe ngithi yazi ukuthi lalela ilokushini ungaye ekhanseleni ufike ulibuza ukuthi bangaka abantu baphethe la kwiward yakho akabazi
ayibonga kakhulu
exactly what I was saying. But what's ngicela ukubuza wake wezwa ukuthi eNew York kukhona abantu base Canada bafikile bazontshontsha ama-RVs basebe cross over eCanada now. This is it because kumina
aboni pass
iZimbabwe neSouth Africa these are actually the closest neighbors but omunye ukwazi uku destroy system yomuntu
ngibeka ukuthi bantshontshe i-system it destroy thina ngoba we are selling them IT laba bantshontshe ilento ade ngisho ekuqaleni ngithi khunya ngeThembisa Hospital all across the country le corruption ingakanani.
True
cabanga mina ngintshontsha ama-ID bese ngonikeza amaZimbabweans bese kudududula ezemva kwabazolala
ngeproblem ekhozwe yimina futhi
problem reaction solution
so ngilapho ke la ngikhona kaye ngikhuluma izolo ngikhuluma lo uyalibuza nabantu uyafika kumapoli wena the FM unabantu abafuna ukusiza iward le ahlala kuyona so ayike njengokazi sinikeza i-database ke bangakho abantu abasebenzayo abangasebenzi bengasebenzi nje ama skills abanawo ukuze sikwazi ukuthi sifake lento yethu esinayo uyayikhanseleni ayinabo because alikaze liqoqe i-database labantu abalivotele into power ukuthi nampa basebenzi but nanka ama qualifications abo if kwenzeka kufika usizo sizovele sidonsa i-database ngoba ihleli la i-office nangubani ufuneka abantu abazoba ama-bricklayer kufuneka obani nampa une-database already ihleli e-office akanako lokho because akangenelanga ukuthi uzosebenzela umphakathi esikhundleni ungenekele ukuthi azoyiphilisana nesizwe sakhe. This is why I say we don't have a system asina ngisho imali canceleni ngisho inkosi ke uphethe abantu la izweni bangaki akabazi kodwa isizwe sakhe kodwa akazi ukuthi uphethe abantu abangaki yabo isikole umprincipal uyazi ukuthi ingane zingaki is la esikoleni so we don't have a system now basilokhuzileke benze ngamabomu ngabelungu ukuthi sibe nje singakwazi ukuze singakwazi ukuphathe ukuyiphatha fanele se rely kubona ngayo yonke into benze osensors bona benze yonke into now mabefika ke la bafika nezinto ke before your social media no TV nani the first distraction abayenza befika ngala ko Western Cape ukufaka utshwala DOP system baholela abantu iportion yomholo utshwala bakholela ngala bese into yama 1800s le ikade inkulu la ezweni ngabo 1890s ibisizi ezweni lonke emaplazini bakholela ngemali bakholele ngotshwala why bakunikeza utshwala mabekholela iportion yakho ukuze uhlale udakiwe wena into ozoyazi mase udakiwe uyadansa wenzani ngoba phela mayaphuza bahambe ke mase behleli
manje like the vibration
mase behleli lapha enkompolo ayikho into abazoyidiscuss baholile baphuza utshwala bashaya ingoma finish yahamba iDOP system yazo abolishwa ngo1962 that was the most thing ngeke distraction yabantu ukuthi abantu abagxisha utshwala ya abolishwa may abolishwa ngo1962 amabhuno akhani ke manje amabhiya hall emalokishini that's distraction yomuntu omnyama now le distraction ke leyo tshwala iyona nje abayisebenzise phambili yenzani ke abantu bahlale bexabana benze zonke izinto ezibhedayo sikhathi bezenza ke zonke lezi zinto ezibhedayo ukhulelwe ke nangomuntu wesimama indoda iyadakwa ngala ngoba eqaleni bekudakwa amadoda abantu besimama bebengadakwa ibona beba ama pillars omama bebhantshi
that's true
ibona bebephethe imizi yakhumbula 1959 emkhumbani beqala isteleka bahambe bekhipha amadoda emabhiya hall bewafaka isibhaka because bethi
le economy sisukile ezandleni zabo
beyabona ukuthi no imizi izobhidlika sikho isizwe la so akuvalwe lamabhiya hall abantu besimame bekhala ngendaba yotshwala namhlanje mangase uthi akuvala ama tavern ibona bangafaka wena induku bangafaka wena induku
uzibula umnikazi tavern lapho lama tavern angunguza la kuthine esilele asikwazi ukulala
are you hearing what Utawe is saying ukuthi iDOP system is still existing except manje is sophisticated
so wavele ke yabona ke ngimthanda la ngoba yakwazi isho ukuthi le DOP system yafakwa abelungu yavalwa 1962 but ithina ke sesiyenza manje
say practice
we blacks ithina sesiyenza amongst each other
and is encouraged by the church by the way the church is leading in drunkenness mina understand ukuthi esontweni of esontweni kune charity function bese kuba notshwala futhi so we are now having Christian drunken churches manje first we had Christian fornicators now we have got Christian drunkards and it's still DOP system by the way let's look at how social media how it is doing testing ngane zethu no doti esezokhuluma ezobona ku social media so practice in real life ngicela ukubuza Thabo how do you explain ingane entombazane imiswe la kuthiwa ayikhomba amadoda ukuthi yiphi ethandayo you know no yenzeka manje ku social media social media I accuse it of stealing our children's destiny kuvezwa izinto eziscandalous about us
but phela abantu abayivizayo I think ilento endivumelana manje ukuthi ithina manje sisebenzisa
but what we are showing what we are showing on the social media ukuthi ingane zethu zamantombazane zipromiscuous and when you create a mind einganeni zabafana ukuthi all women are promiscuous they won't believe umuntu esifazane no faithful
bazi no
they will never they will never be able to distinguish between umuntu osifazana onjani of faithful and unfaithful because bonke bayafana mase bemi phambi kaJoseph wavula amafoni abo no King Ginger kuzovela ukuthi labantu ba promiscuous bobabili Now you are creating a generation of promiscuity. So obviously by 2035 zonke ingane ezozalwa zizobe zikhombisa i-disorder of being a byproduct of promiscuous parents. They'll be alcoholic. They'll have no sense of direction. Zizoba dysregulated into ngakazi uzuyibona because the whole nation is traumatized. Nabefundisi who are now questionable, who are participating in this, and then the nation dies palm weight. So this nation is going to die.
Yes, sabis.
Anginsabisi.
Like no, not lokho ukuthi usabisa ushinto engekho ngisho ukuthi like honestly the truth, facing the truth.
It's a wake up call.
Yeah.
Where are men?
Ibhlungu.
Bashoniphi?
Na but abakhuluma ishonini.
Where are men?
Udimbana ke bengisathi ngiyakhona lapho yabona kusevele
wakhavu nomoya lo muntu. Uvela idodza.
Wayiphuthu hayo nesikhathi uyasibona ukuthi ngizongafiki lapha ku level. Ngisayidrya lapha. Now silana ukuthi manje seyikhathulile yonke lento ngo 2 minutes. Wayifikisa ukuthi it's alcohol yasuka 76 kwafika ama TV. Kwafaka wonke lama programs kwaza ke manje sesi social media yonke lento toxifies the brain ibulala ingqondo if isetshenziswa ngendlela wrong. Now how do we detoxify? Sekufanele ke manje u detox from all these things. Social media fake ku detox yonke lento iyakwazi ukuthi ube ne control yayo uma uthanda ukuba ne control mawuzobhebisa ingane ngefoni vele wena oba nginkinga ngoba manje ubhebisithi ingane hayi mi ifanele ihlale ingane ibuke lento ingane siyazi wonke uTikTok yazi yonke into idlula wena ngoba manje uya outsource ukuba iparent ungcolisa ingqondo yengane yonke lento ayisho utimbane idlala lapha ku TikTok ezenzakalayo whatever so
kuba exposed nje umntwana esamncane things mhlambe zingabi na ku level yakhe
kunalezi zinto ezenzeka nje oba ngidlapha ematshwaleni nonane ukukhulelwe lo indoda iyamhlukumeza lento ihlukumezani ingane eseswini izozala injani lengane izozala inalama mental issues ekade ekhuluma ngawo uDimbane izalwa nje ine stress ingane ehlala ithukile ine anxiety ingane engena self confidence ine low self esteem konke lokhu kwenzeke eswini uyabona ukuthi ngaba destroy wena phela ba destroy nalabo abangakafiki.
Example Thabo, your 12-year-old daughter takes your iPhone and disappears into the bedroom now. Your 12-year-old daughter takes your iPhone and disappears into the bedroom. I figure I download the pornography. Quickly sends it to a friend. Ebese delete her history. Indlovukazi angiphinde futhi. I download the pornography. And then at delete his essay to make bangani bakhe ngoba iyoviewer kusasa esikoleni I download the part ethi how to commit suicide. I send kubangani ngoba bayayifuna thona ethi umakho unelokhuza une iPhone besenzela ama download to stand will share ibisiyabuthi mangi right uthi abheka history is very clean. In fact into I checkile ube check a verse on how to become a good child if ever there's a verse like that. Kanti usehambisa pornography bangani wahambisa a very subversive website, how to commit suicide, how to get drunk and never be detected, how to remove drugs in your blood and system. Indlovukazi, our social media is stealing it destiny ngane zethu bakwethu. Yakhike bengu engicabanga Thabo ukuthi ukujabula into isho Thabo ivele ngidepress awu manje kusafuna ukuyochama. Ngidepress no, babysitter ingane ngeselfone.
Hey, sibakati.
Ngempela pretty makagula. Babysitter ingane ngeselfone. What are you creating?
Iyayifuna nje iyayikhalela.
Basho njalo.
Iyayikhalela sin manje
When you scroll a lot, the brain goes into the seizure. When you scroll a lot, the brain goes into the seizure. And what happens if you suffer from what we call brain rot? Iyabola, a part of the brain that is responsible for decision making and reasoning.
Ish,
mhlambe masibuya sizobuya nama solution masibuya kodwa kuzo zonke lezi zinto esengiyibalile endlovukazi kuleli minute uyakwazi ukuphuma kuzona kufana nengane ezalwe under le toxic environment
yebo
ngoba uzalwe elokishini la emjondolo lahlela khona it's toxic indlala nje iyodwa ile msinde khona yonke lento toxic but if you get the right people ulalelo asilungiseni uyakwazi ukuyidiagnose ukuthi why ngibe nje mina yabo mawuthanda ukuphuma uzoyithola ukuthi why ube nje bese uyakwazi ukuyifixa futhi uyirepair iDNA yakho lesibulewe
ngiyakuzwa. All right, sekuseleke umzuzu nje in fact mncane bese indabeni masibuya lapho singena nawe ke uyalaza udaba sikhulumeni ngiyabona bayasenda nabanye yes and questions
in neuroplasticity how to change
sure I have better yochama
nazi izindaba zenanda 88.4 FM noNonduduzo nomvalo.
Hey Nkosiyami Ziyanda Changana athuli ihlathi lethu uthi umsakazo inanda 88.4 FM today's best radio asilungiseni sisingena ke la engija khona nawe mkhozi wami ngicela ngobaba Mathebula cause uye waqala kuqala waphakamisa isandla ke sizwe ke cool.
Nginibingelele basakazi bami nginibingelele lonke studio lapha. Cha anginawo umbuzo enginawo bafuthi kodwa nje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ngiyalandela uhlelo lweni kakhulu and siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi nisiqaqa imiqondo nokuthi sibe nokuqonda ukuthi kahle kahle ukukholwa noma ukwenza izinto nezesemsamo nezesinto uhamba kanjani noma ufuna sikulandele kanjani sazi izinto singagcina senza izinto kanti siyaphambanisa izinto sigcina sikhande isisuku kanti ezingekho kahle. Ngiyabonga kakhulu basakazi umkhulu Mathebula lo eMayville number 37 hlela back group. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafuthi amen.
Siyabonga kakhulu mkhulu yazi ngendlela mnandi ngayo la studio yabo mangabe ufisa ukuntsha abantu into ubothenga into abangayidli yes nento ebagulisayo bathi choko ube right.
Ake nginibingelele emsakazweni omkhulu inanda 88.4 FM sakazo amaqiniso. Namhlanje sikhulu isihloko sibalekile njengezinye. Kodwa namhlanje inkinga inanda 88.4 FM njalo ngama Sundays ungazi ukuthi enesihloko esikhulu kunesinye. Yabo lento engisanda ukuthi into bahlonishwa bami. Kakhulu yazi nje ukuthi Jesus is everything. Noma ke uJesu uzokwenza konke. No, iyona ndlela ke leyo esikhohliswa ngayo yonke. Yiyo nje indlela esikhohliswa ngayo. La ngilungisa khona ke mina ngilungisa ekutheni kwaphela ukuthi uhlela silungisa. Ngithi mina kufanele ngabe sitshelwa nje iqiniso. It's like mangabe ugula ubonakala ukuthi hayi ungenwe isifo mhlawumbe singesinye sesizisala phela. Kufanele ukuthi utshele ukuthiwe no face challenge lesifo kwamanje asikalapheki ngingakathelakala indlela ukuthi silashwe. And abantu abaningi ngaso bayahamba emhlabeni. Kodwa musubeka ithemba lakho lokuthi uzofabeka ithemba lokuthi usangaphila isikhathi eside futhi ikhambe lisangaqhamuka. Lento ifana nokuzenza nje isilimo mhlambe uthi uyo commit crime noma yini uhamba uphethe positive ukuthi hayi mina nje ngiyowina lapha na ngiyobuya nento yokuthi ungakusasho ukuthi what if ngawinanga uzokwenzakalani ngoba uzoboshwa noma uzodutshulwa noma uzokwenzeka noma yini. Accept ukuthi kusangenzeka noma yini ngosukuthi nje hayi uzoyenza lento uyena ozoyenza noma izokwenzeka izophumelela. Kufanele ukuthi sitshelwe amaqiniso ngoba naye uJesu akakwenzanga konke. Hayi akakwenzanga konke. Waye nenhliziyo abona manje ngendlela mina nginawo umholi khona ibandla engaphansi kwayo. Umholi wethu uhamba nathi ngenyawo adle nathi. Sometimes uphila impilo yobuntu khona izinto nathi sike sicele zingaphumeleli mhlambe iseza noma mhlambe nje ngeke uzithole ngoba naye ngesikhathi akwasitshela ukuthi usitelela kwabakithi nabo bengavumile abavumile. So usangeza ke nale mentality ukuthi kuhluleke yena ke noma kwenzeke kanjani. Kodwa ngikho lapha ngisekutheni asimuse ukutshelwa ukuthi ngegama kuzokwenzeka. Ngegama kuzokwenzeka. Hayi ngeke. Kubalekile nje ukuthi sizame ezinye indlela eziseceleni. Ungahlali entweni eyodwa ukuthi hayi ngathi nje sokwathiwa kuzokwenzeka. Bahlonishwa bami ngiyazi ukuthi umsebenzi wenu niwufundele kakhulu. Thina sisuke nje sizama ngapha nangapha emaceleni ukuthi si contribute ohlelweni. Ngeke impela sishaya khona exactly ngoba nowufundele na upractice niyawenza kodwa ever since nisivulile ingqondo kufanele ukuthi sizame ngaso sonke isikhathi nathi ukuthi sisondele eqinisweni ngoba iqiniso sesiyala sesijeliwe iqiniso. Emangeni nasebemnyameni sesingahlala nje ngenkani. Yabo nje namhlanje uye emasontweni kuyokhulunywa amanga. Abanye kade bekhona izolo. Akushiwi iqiniso ukuthi hayi njengoba sekunje permanent. Ake ngibonge. Uzethu ngwa.
Alright, siyabonga kakhulu Zet Ngwenya, right? I think usingenisa kulebe sisongena kuyona manje kamnandi lokuthi uma singayivuli manje indlebe zethu singavuli la kufanele kuvulwe khona ukuze kubuye singa clean the pineal gland singenzi lutho nje then ayike
Uyidani kwasho labelo
uqedile thi
Ungwenya lento ayishoyo Ungwenya lento ayishoyo yabona minister last place engithumela kuyona umuntu sesontweni ufe neyinkinga kakhulukazi mentally or ulambile or unani ngoba isonto ngeke imsize kunalokho uzomfaka i-depression or une depression izomfaka i-stress ngoba nalo lifuna imali ke yabo so na uthe neyinkinga kodwa nalo futhi alizi ne-solution kulezi inkinga zakhe yabo njengoba esho nje na ucelela kwabakubo uthi umuntu ucela kwabakini kwakona lokho lento yabakini ifuna izimbuzi ifuna izinkukhu ifunani abanayo nje i-solution. uJesu ke nakhona khona incwadi ake ngidlule ngoba ilokhu zeyodwa le engijwayele ukuyifunda iKorinte besibili 11:4 lethi ngokuba uma kufika umuntu eshumayela omunye uJesu esingamshumayelanga noma namukela omunye umoya engawamukelanga noma elinye ivangeli engalamukelanga nikubekezelela kakhulu uPaul loyo ethi bazofika abezayo emva kwethu banishumayeze omunye uJesu lo esingamshumayelanga thina which means njengoba uzobethi abantu bekhala ngendaba kaJesu it's because lo Jesu oshunyayelwayo is not that Jesus uJesus loya was an authoritative teacher yabo he was an authoritative teacher Jesus wayifundisa ngempilo yonke isiko healthy yabo makuthu umuntu authoritative teacher ufundisa lezo zinto lezo kuleyo group yabantu ayisuke ehamba nabo ukuthi babe well balanced bazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uxhumana kanjani na manje laba bakutshela ukuthi ufaka imali themba uJesu but abakutshela ukuthi yini le uJesu ayifundisa
okusho ukuthi it might like ku clear kimi makukhuluma leyo ncwadi ngoba ngihlezi ngibuza lento ukuthi yazi ngihlezi ngihlukanisa ngithi ku Matthew Mark Luke John kunabantu kunoJesu okhulunywa ngaye lapha yana then come Paul yena useshumayeza abantu ngalezi zimanga bezenziwa ku Matthew Mark akasayenzi lento uJesu kade yenza siqale Paul uphambana yashiya ukuthi uJesu ufundiseni base kuthiwa akapraiswe lo Jesu
laba bamanje
hayi phela ngeke siqale ke
umyeke nanoPaul laba
phela ngithi bona bathatha kuPaul phela laba
abathathi kwaPaul laba
usho kanje ngeke incwadininga
Paul was a con man, but
exactly
Paul in the Bible was a con man.
true ndabethe but asibe clear like said uma imithabo asithathe kulaba abala manje ngithi mina yonke lento uPaul uyenze iyayintshumayelo yangaba i continuation ya Jesu efundisa yes
Thank you man.
laba manje even worse ke laba ngithi mina ungcono noPaul khona into oyitholayo lapha kuPaul mayikhuluma ngothando and what not what laba faka imali themba uJesu ilento phela ekhalisa abalaleli lokuthiwa thembela kuJesu thembela kuJesu thembela kuJesu
that's Paul
thembela kuma miracles
uyena obafaka kuleyo
ungcono
akekho
naye mawufunda uPaul ungcono ngapi khona ezinye izinto ezingcono ngapi
Ukuthi
no but eyokubabuya ekushiya evangelini elithi let us praise asikholele kulo abamshumayelayo bona hayi lo owafundisa
Ndovukwazi kuntshontshiwe Thembisa.
yeah
AmaKristu besefuna ukuthandazelana.
Yilento ngisho ubuyela kumina ilento ngisho ukuthi laba manje
Kuntshontshiwe Thembisa. AmaKristu beseyothandazelana lapha.
phela yabo nje ukuthi izinto zilunge mfethu angathi abangene kubaphathi
Kune corruption.
cha kwakufanele bayothandaza kungakaveli imadlanga bese kubonakala ukuthi yabona ke imphumela yemthandazo
Bese bethi buka ke.
iveze imadlanga now yini lento ebuzotimbana ke yini ngoba already process ikhona edila nale yanto anzange nisukume sikhathi kusafika ingane lapha kufa abantu hlala abantu esibhedlela
Ndovukwazi ingane inesikole
ma social media activists
ingane zitinyelwa yinyosi esikoleni because kunezidleke senyosi seyothandazwa lesidleke senyosi asenziwa lutho sisekhona and the principal was shoot usifaka ku social media uprincipal uyasikhombisa ku SGB sinaso sikhona siyaduze ke office lakhe hayi omama sebathi sicela ukukhuleka uvula amasango endodana sizokhula
sibekwa yini sobhula emhlolo sibekwa yini kwayila
sizothandaza kahleni bakwethu Ndovukwazi I don't want to take isikhathi sabantu lalela abafonayo but I need to talk about neuroplasticity uThabo
is that the solution
yes uThabo ukhuluma nge-DNA cleansing ngicela uku-invite izangoma
yeah
njengamanje ngicela uku-invite izangoma and ngiyanicela zangoma musana ukufika nama theories afile lana nama seers bese ba lokhu group 3 leke ngikuthiwa iChosen ake nisiqhamukele naye yami solution zangoma ma overseers na chosen ones naye yami solution it's a trauma related neuroplasticity Ndovukwazi i-brain ine-ability to reorganize itself by forming a new neural path meaning uma kade imthambo nje bechaza umthambo kwayichaza uma kade imthambo yakho kade ihamba la through a system yakho futhi ozwenze kuzoyikhuluma ngayo iyaphuma la kade ihamba khona ngani Thabo kusuke sekunodaka la kade ikhona olubangwa inflammation as a result of trauma ne cortisol ibisithi nje ukuphuma kancane umthambo uthatha enye direction that ability of forming a new neural path and connection throughout life in response to e-learning experience ilokesithi ke neuroplasticity.
okay
Ake ngi-break it down ndaba ezethu ukuze bayizwe abantu so everyone has an experience imicabango yethu ama-actions ethu nama-experiences ethu they shape the brain structure so pick up a thought of healing uthi regardless of what happens I'm gonna heal immediately yenze njani ukuze i-neurological makeup yakho iyashifta Thabo angikhathana noma ngathini I'm going to heal mina next year ngoJanuary ngizobe ngihamba
yeah
I'm out of this place
yeah
but be realistic about it. Now what is going to happen, this means a conscious effort can be used to change the negative patterns and build on positive new ones. You see, I always make this. I had a very powerful guy owafunda for 4 years in Ndabezit. Something just went wrong. Wahamba wayohlala eAdams ehlathini enza medicine.
Eseqedile noma
No, 4 years compared to bursary, things went
Sure.
Wafika lapha khona insizwe ehlala lapha nakuphela emadramini yabo. Hayi bayihlalela naye nje for 3 years kwangabe indaba zalutho. Wasethi omunye yena weqhawela kwethu. Akuye lapha esikoleni ukuyobheka nje ukuthi kwenza. Bamnikeze i-overall yabo. Ngempela hambe met eMastephisini Nelson Mandela ayithele phezukwane kwentombazane imgxavlithe yazi isilima awazi ukuthi sengisafarishe kanjani ngenxa yakho. There is a group of students in Netherlands awuqedela and wena utholakala awuna phone awunalutho even imdonse ifike imfake phambi kwakhe imfake kwi roster meaning to say has to get a special permit and everything diplomatic passport uyahamba in the next 3 weeks use Netherlands.
Okay. When we return, more of the music you love.
Oh, okay, all right. Yes. Ngibuyisela. Yes, ngibuyisela kahle intambo mangabe sibuya ngale yazi lezi intambo ziba nako ukudisconnect sidingo enasingekho. Ngicela ukuthi siqhubeke ku 0687649969 kodwa kwamanje sinqamuleke undaba esasinikeza indaba kaDokotela
so one thing that happened is that I kept on asking this guy, how did you manage which after 4 years uhlale ehlathini and then later on you end up in Netherlands as you finish a degree in medicine? Why not going to believe which it won't end up in the bush? And it is strong, got the engas which but the belief was there. So uma suggested insizwe sethu ukuthi akuhambe mfethu yabo ukuhambe nje emaground nakhona mhlambe konke ezokwenza so abuyeke kule insizwe athi bukani bafethu kuthiwa mina ngiyahamba in 3 weeks athi kasho mfethu wena vele angazi uhlale kanjani iminyaka eminingi nathi la wena uphilongi la ungasikhohle uma usu right athi noma mfethu awel. Then he goes to Amsterdam. Mebuye Amsterdam, he has finished after 4 years degree of medicine. Abuye Thabo uyafika lapha eAdams ehlathina wazeke insizwe ayifuna zathole yodwa uthi hayi hamba uye ekusydney road hostel laba bawu2 bathola amatoho basquattile ngempela amebuya bo hawu bathe nayi lensizwe awuyisebuyele futhi maduze nje kanti iminyaka emingaka ukuba uthotshela hayi phela iqualification ngasengenzile yokuqala wasekusela u4 ahlale nabo abathengele inyama kudlalwa iginqi. It became such a brotherhood that he stayed there for 2 months looking for a job nabo sebemdlalele phansi laphansi. Then he got a job, he worked waseyasuka kofuna indawo uqasha wahamba, but he was always indebted to the moment that he spent in the bush and the moment I spent a hostel. That is neuroplasticity. An example yokugcina ingane last year ezadlongola ziyobhala exam, they actually refused to undergo a test of checking because it's okay ningagezeki but okay man etukubhala izobuya straight nizela so that we can do ama-tests run ama-test. Now ingane zihamba zawubhala ntokazi zabhala zathathwa amavan e-police station kusabhala statement abafana abo3 baseboshiwe through umphakathi. Yeah. And then the process kahle was guess what zaphasa zonke ndlokazi and iphepha balibhala under trauma lona aba-excela kulona. That is neuroplasticity. Ilokhu uthi abakhuluma ngako ukuthi there's got to be a pathway or a trigger in your brain system. Even your DNA is going to alter.
Sure.
You know that exactly. Yeah.
DNA the spirit sakho moya wakho yebo connection nomdali connecta ngespirit lo muntu njobe ehlele ehlathini imvelo imkhonza ngendlela umdali wayehlala esho ubaba umbhede ethi ekhonza umdali ilanga liphuma njalo ngesikhathi athi uNkulunkulu aphume ngalo aliphumi ngala sithele ngala lithi imvelo imkhonza direct. So if you go into nature uhlale nenature now uzokwazi ukuthi njengoba eshethi ibelief yakhe ispirit sakhe i-DNA yakhe leyo hope ke leyo ya connect yamlekelelwe imvelo wakwazi ukuthi athi mayibuyela ke manje ehambela nje esikoleni uthola ukuthi ngoba iyakhuluma imvelo lethi ikhuluma la emoyeni yonke into siyaconnect as I said Jesus was a historic teacher mangase uthole lezo imfundiso zakhe how do you connect why fundisa leyo nto how do you connect
yonke futhi ayizele
yona into ayizele ukuthi ayibuyani nifunde ukuthi ni connecta kanjani
akusiza ukuthi
Nkosi ukuthi wavusa uLazarus wenzani yonke lento wasiza uLazarus phela
yebo
hayi mina ngisiza ngani indaba okuvuka kaLazarus angihlangani indaba unkosikazi wayezokhandwa ngamatshe uJesu wathi wasiza lo nkosikazi phela mina ngithinta leyo
yeah
ziphi lezi imfundiso ayifundisa ukuthi mina ngikwazi ukuconnecta nomdali
uvusa into yaphezulu thaboteke you know umuntu mekhuluma into engaphakathi kuwena ohlezi uyisho kodwa abantu bangakuzwa I'm hoping today people will hear ngempela ithini lento ngabuyeli kwethu kwi-nature
ntobukazi lokho kusho Thabo is true the brain can systematically adjust and reorganize the neural network a process that can occur even after a severe injury ngokuthi focus on walking have a walking mind you know your mother was a prostitute your mother slept with a lot of men no for ekhaya nazizala ngobani laba abanye bashawa itrauma because they did not have the thought whereas when awathi mina I'll be out of my prostitutional spirit iskama and my generation ninganzam they won't be prostitutes into kamade mina affect I don't care that I do not know my father but I'm going to be out of it nangampela you come out of it and you become the richest man
and it's you also yenza land you
sonto elikwenzelile it was your decision and then bese kuthi laba ne trauma sayokufaka under pressure abasafuna ushade manje sebezonto unkosikazi wakho ngoba besaba ukuthi uzothatha le mali obaphilisa ngayo
sebekubuyisela back to la ungafuna
bafuna ukudraga back kule trauma yakhe
ngavumi ngaba nawe
angithandi ke bese kufika umzalwane athi liyangane yebo ngiyavuma ingahambi isonto yebo bihlala lengane namhlanje siyi advocate angisho ukuthi nginomona kodwa ayingaphiki ukuthi uNkulunkulu wabanesandla no
uNkulunkulu ilala nje uNkulunkulu ayingaphiki ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngoba engambelieve athi uNkulunkulu khona ma itshela lo mama ithi uNkulunkulu khona ngaba sikho kule condition esiyona but ingane kwi neural pathway yayo decide ukuthi I'll be a lawyer so that I can rescue myself out of there. Nengampela ingane ye rescue. Activated the God within.
Activated the God particle, the God cell. We call it neuroplasticity.
Konzile namhlanje bafundisa bamjumele.
Lento bona usise kade dayisa umzimba eshade. Kunama circumstances amenza wadayisa umzimba hayi ukuthi wayithanda wayihlala eshe kodwa mina
ngiphelela
ufuna ukuba nomuzi wami acabanga izingane zakhe ngisho iphupha lento ubona umuzi nezingane zakhe sebehleli sekukanje kwenzeke ngempela
ebazalwane sidinga abantu abazobreak icycle manje
nakhona abantu
abazokhuluma ababreakile
ukhona abantu abayicindezele bona ngoba bafuni mentally
basabambelele
kusabambe mina ngiyukuthi uyitshela wena ukuthi wena uyinto ebhedayo vele uzohlala uyinto ebhedayo ngoba wena uyitshela vele mina ngeke ngiphumelele ngoba
Yeah, that's why our daughter of Kemet, thank you for coming through. Where I'm saying we are asking a question at daughter of Kemet, everything is possible with Jesus. But you see, told about 80% who are trapped in cliché and philosophy, but nothing has ever happened. Thank you, Skanka. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Puka. That's called cycle breakers. So the cycle breakers. I believe, daughter of Kemet, now Puka, we can clean our DNA. We can remove cortisol in the pathways of our brain. Then basically a paradigm shift. Leo paradigm shift iyona ke rescue from our conditions. The fact that ekhagini kuyadakwa kwabulawa abantu kwakuyi 20 but there's a medical doctor okubhlungu ukuthi akasalibhadi nonyawo because le ndawo yam re-traumatize.
All right.
You see? Yeah.
Avele yazi avele yabo manje ngikude bacela ukudlala la.
Ake ngibingelele emsakazweni omkhulu Inanda 88.4 FM umsakazo wamaqiniso.
Angazi buya kanjani engathi akazizivule no it's fine. Sisike sayidlala leni yamkhulu mathebula sike sayidlala futhi akekho umuntu ke esingathi namhlanje simthile. What about Facebook, are they there?
So ayanda
Lema cycle breakers ingihlaba umqondo Ndlovukazi.
No, ibalekile na vangeli. Mina namhlanje my take home my scarftin.
Yeah,
I'm breaking the cycles.
Breaking the cycle and DNA cleansing. Yeah, what I'm doing. Yeah, this is
ilento Dimbane engeke ngithi nalabantu abathi abantu besintu bayafana namasonto nabo some of them because uzokucindezela athi inkinga yakho isibongo. Awuphumelele nje inkinga yakhe isibongo. Vele ngihleli ngiyakuyena ngithi mina ngisebenzi ungangisiza yini uthi inkinga yakho isibongo fanele ubuyele esibongweni sakini uyazi iprocess edinga ama1000 amangakleyo ukuthenga izimbuzi ukuthenga ngithe mina ngisebenzi wena uyaphinda futhi uzongicindezela uzongitshela ukuthi
inkukhu nezimbuzi
uzongitshela okunye mina anginayo impuphu engizoyidla manje ungitshela indaba yezinkukhu nezimbuzi
engikwaziyo inkukhu ayikwazi ukubhala iCV. Inkukhu ayikwazi ukufesa. Inkukhu ayikwazi ukutravela and create i-social network.
Igaslayo.
Yeah, kahle inkukhu ngeke ikubhala iCV bakuthi ngeke ibhalwa wena iCV. Kukhona abantu la who are successful abangahlabanga inkukhu because they're the right mindset despite under adversity.
Mhlambe indaba enhla ke sibuyise leyo ukuthi nje as create this sombe ngivumelana nawe kulento esho.
Yazi ukuthi angikuphuce emlonyeni Ndlovukazi.
Ungiphuce ini lento ezoyisho
ukuthi kanje. Si la ufake ijezeli green.
Yeah.
The first day uhleli nobaba umphela uyimina lana. Did you ever know ukuthi sizo regard as the most controversial radio station? Uthi ngineyibindi. Ezinye aboy flotilla group ayifunwa ndawo asikho nje istation singaba interview ukuthi nithathe bathi niyaqhubeka nalesibe uba usibindikile
kusifuna iqiniso asilungiseni asikwazi ukukhuluma into yabantu esingayazi futhi sikhuluma into esiyaziyo we know khona into efana abantu bay understand ukuthi masila we not saying we buying in to whatever this but at least ngoba sesizwini wena khuluma iqiniso lakho ngoba even naloko kwenza sithi let's have facts
Mawuthi wena lokho akubona
letha phela ukuze sibone bakwethu
imbuzi ayikwazi ukufesa kufesa umuntu
lalela ndaba enhle bengifuna uyazi uyabona ukungena emlomeni ngalento obungena ngayo ke sengikhohlela ukuthi bengifuna ukuthini bengifuna ukuthi ngicela sibuyise kanje lento Thabo sibuyise ngendlela yokuthi nawe ndaba enhle when you go to a doctor nje sengenza nje nami my last comment on the issue with ye are gods we cannot be lost sikhona so ithi into uma uya kudokotela udokotela ufika abuze wena that's number 1 kubhlungu uphi and then bese uyamtshela abese kunika i-medication yes Thabo bese kunika i-medication ubani ekufanele asebenzele medication uwena so it's up to you ukuthi uyayifamile noma uyifaki ukusizakala kodwa kukuwena ekugcina usuyile kwa consulta nako konke bese sizoza nasenyangeni sizangomeni thina sayihamba umthandazi afika kutshela ukuthi lalela uzothatha seyizwile or sekubonelile whatever the akubonile kwaXhunyana but now isithi into hamba uyogquma kathathu ugqume ka2 phalazi ka5 now ithini into yokugcina esho umthandazi noma isangoma noma ithi ukhulume kulomuzi kusho ukuthi bangakhulumanga kulomuzi ngeke uzakwazi now ithini ke leyo nto kuthina ke ithi uwe
indaba
khuluma nkosiyami
uthi wena angibuyele esibongweni kanti isibongo sami sama murderers ngizokwenza njani ngizokwenza njani
yini
uma ethi kumina ugogo okay bamenza can you sit down ungicela ungilethi uhambe oKhamanzi ebesethi speak to this water
Yeah.
I want to take you up on that one. Speak to this water, and then bese ukuthi yena for my concentration kube khona zoyidrama kancane. Speak athi khuluma ngikhulume bese okay wathele kwena ke ngaphezulu. What he's doing vele usenzeni lo plasticity ukuthi uyenza ngokwesintu use amanzi meshaya ekhanda ngizothuka.
Yes.
That shock yamanzi abanda ekhanda it's very critical because immediately in neural pathway you never see a shift yabo. Ngivuka ngi-enthused ngi-determined. On the other side
lethe ngene emanzini abanda
ekseni uthabo usethi enye into phela ke manje khletha etshwaleni nalapho sisi la usetarget i-DNA yami uthabo manje exactly. So that is the reality here. Ukuthi bakwethu ukuthi in Jesus things are possible asikuphiki, but inkinga ufika usho njalo kodwa mina sengezwe wena usho njalo kumina ulala nodadewethu.
Ashu,
how do I connect the dots here?
Sikhumbuza skills ngubane ukuthi siyafana nehamster in that wheel izale enye yenze the same thing. Systems isivalele ukuthi sibuke size sijwayele kube yinoma. I-prostitute nayo yonke le nonsensical kak that even the economic disclaimer that even the constitution permits. So if we are gods, our creation is doomed. As for thina esinemelanin sisadinga ukuzazi ukuzithanda nokufunda amaqiniso ngemuva lethu ukuze sazi ukuya phambili ngoba lapho where we are or being led to is astray dukile sonke worldwide food.
But we can still come back before you can find our way back. Let's find our way back.
Ngelinye ilanga bayisize nama esoteric teachings.
No, season now.
Now so khuluma isingisi sami.
Yeah, no.
English.
Yeah. Ngiyafuna next week ke sigibele.
Isho ukuthi yini esoteric teaching kanjani lo?
Imfundiso ezayifundiswa uJesu angishilo ngichazile eqaleni ngathi imfundiso yabo lezi engakhuluma ngalento ngeyimangaliso kade sikhuluma leyo nto lokukhuluma imangaliso kumfundisa ukuthi wafundisani nge-mental stability yomuntu nge-emotionally ngomphefumulo ubhalansa kanjani lento abathi ubhalansisa ama-chakras wayifundisa lezo zinto ukuthi how ukuthi siba kanjani sihlangane nemvelo wezwe izulu masithi umhlaba yahlaba uhlonipha umhlaba ukuze ungahlabi wayifundisa lezo zinto bese ni connect nizo connecta straight ke nomdali yilawo kama esoteric teachings
Ndlovukazi kade ngisho ngithi every time that you sleep with a woman ongena covenant you are living a covenant with him. Your destiny is being stolen away. Every time
ongena covenant noba
awunayo covenant nomuntu lele naye but you are taking your destiny to him and ngeke buyi destiny yakho
nihlangane nje lapha etavern
nihlangane etavern nalalana
etoilet
nase toilet cabanga uthathe imthandazo kagogo wakho imthandazo kagogo wakho imthandazo ka late mother wakho uyoyishiya etoilet lase tavern uyazi uyidampe imkhuleko kama wakho the hard work ebhaka ekseni for you to get to varsity wena lokho uyoku-unleasha kephi etoilet lase tavern.
Hey, hi, no.
Uyagijima kusiyothandazela i-corruption yase-Thembisa Hospital
la ekhaya sikakathi
kodwa wena
ulande lento ayishethelele.
So next week Thabo ngiyacela nami ngizocontribute nje kodwa ngifuna ulide la. Let's put together ama esoteric teachings kaKristu lo Jesu lo futhi sibachazele ukuthi
lo Jesu lo
ukuthi this is not the Paul's Jesus. Ngoba endifuna sikhumbule ama-theologians around the world, they've agreed, 69 theologians, ukuthi ama-epistles kaPaul akabhalwanga uyena. And what is even worse, kukhona umuntu owa-eda iverse elingekho. Ake ngilisho lo verse ndaba ezethu. Lelo lokuthandisana bangame-pulpit. That verse was written 33 years later epistles waphuma. Paul did not say that. Yes, he was a con man, but Paul into esoke yenzeka, he invited other con men. How would you invite? Sasikhuluma nge-law of attraction. ayengeke ama conman amanye athi take advantage of his letters if he was not a conman. Into yomuntu osaint ngekuzwe ilokotha. Into yomuntu ongcole ngekuyilokotha. Iyaqhopha. Yeah. Uchaza kona kuba ifraudster ka Paul ukuthi buka nje kwaqhamuka iconman athi awuthi nginindi ivesi because that person he hated the power of Greco-Roman women who were educated, who were leading what no lapha fanele sibafake in their places. Wabhayi lapha. And now sekusuka abantu abahlakaniphile got DDs, Doctor of Theology. Azokhuluma lo doctor pulpit ukuthi umuntu esifazana akangakhulumi ngaphandle mehamba nolokosi. So I'm meaning to say le generation tab will never give birth to a Jesus.
Yeah.
If we are led by such stupid men. Mina ngithi umuntu esifazana akame pulpit because a mother is a great source. Umama is Chinyas means. If we were to have another Moses, another Enoch,
was it Minister Farrakhan who said the person onikeze impilo wazala lo Jesu uyena lo nitha nimfuna ukuthi
that's interesting.
Khona issue Mr. Farrakhan
what Farrakhan will never have another Jesus as long as women are not in the pulpit. Yeah,
well le nto but khona lesikala ngezoyithola ngendlela asho ngayo we need to
abantu besimami.
Hey wait
what ayikwazi ukwenzeka kanjalo. So I think bafowethu we are breaking the cycle March so la manje kushinje kezosha December sizama ngoba iyezifike lento yokubreak ama cycle nakona lo December nasekwenzeni zonke lento ezinonsense esizenzayo nonsense is nonsense. Asina ingqondo esingawakhi nje umqondo eziveze isididise nje into azuyibona. So let's just focus and then bafowethu
inshallah next week I'm looking forward to esoteric teachings of Yeshua and Joseph, and we need to break them down. But ngibonga kakhulu for having negotiated DNA cleansing and neuroplasticity. Our manje
lethi wayishaya
ikhanya that can be done ukuthi abantu abazi.
Nangu Sipho Zuma
uthini Sipho Zuma
Sipho Zuma uthi spiritual angiqale kule aqale ngayisuke ngenzansi ngiyabingelela esitudio leyo connected nomdali ibaluleke kakhulu mhlambe kuyofanele nike nichaze kabanzi iyo le uDimba nakhuluma ngayo for next week spiritual consciousness nayo nichaze kabanzi impela iyo le uDimba nakhuluma ngayo
naye utho bani
Sipho Zuma
Msholozi nawe mangabe ukuthi ene unaye yabo khona into engifuna siyenze manje ngifuna uba aggressive kuyona ile ngithi ngifuna le yabo like nami ngiba aggressive kuyona ukuthi uma unolwazi uthile musu ukuthi yenzani yenza nawe letha lelo lwazi sihlalela sikhulumeni sonke ngoba ngikutholile and then sibonisane and then we have the common thing esikhiphela kubantu because njengoba uthi anoke nikhulume ngayo khona yazi Msholozi. So come let's reason together but khona ngizama la kuyifaka eyakhe I don't know ukuthi ubani iVN round nomphela
but ngithi izolo ngize ngawashiya ngena ngo5 to 10 to nanka seqalile ngizokhona ntangase nakhuluma ngento ekade ngikhuluma ngayo nje ngolesihlanu ngikhuluma nontanga yami ukuthi asivule ibusiness yeMcCafe khona lapha eMafuya sihlanganise imali sithenga equipment bavele bazi hlekela bathi izofeyila lento zisasuka nje kodwa zolo lo labantu kade behlanganisa imali yotshwala beyahlangana utshwala kalula
futhi hayi utshwalana lobanga ngempela asivaliseni mfowethu
isibonge kakhulu indaba ezitha sibonge nangecela ukuthi ucela sike mhla National Heritage Resources Act so ikhuluma ngo December not now ngicela si address ngo December le
asondele nayasho points exactly
so Ndlovukazi thank you so much inumber yami ithi 07666333954 angiphinde mlaleli inumber yami ithi 07666333954 Thabo ngizocela ngiyazi ubusy mfowethu kumanje uyosebenza kodwa ngicela ukusukela kusasa faka uploada ilocals esoteric teachings of Jesus ngoba ngenzela ukuthi ngiyifake ku TikTok naba becela ukuthi bacela ngoba bazoyithatha bayifake ku TikTok babo
so ifaka singakhuluma ngayo
phela invite abantu people want to participate naba besho we want to participate
all right valelisa
Thabo kaSambuthi uyatholakala ku WhatsApp 076 054 3833 076 054 3833 ayifonele kule number yazi ngafaka lento ekuthiwa true caller yablockeka le number isisebenza ku WhatsApp kuphela okungisizile ke futhi ngizingishiye nje ngathi hey yazi kupeaceful ifoni ingakhanda.
All right,
thank you so much. Ngiyabonga creator, ngiyabonga Staklo, you're wonderful.
All right, ngiyabonga kakhulu ke nami ngizibongela ukusihlala nawe kusukela ngo9 o'clock kuze kushayela isikhathi seqhubeka ke umsakazo awuthuli uyaqhubeka 24 hours siphuma ngevusi nova ethi noma Themba. Hayi angiyazi ke le eyenzeka njengamanje ngoba ayifanele ukwenza ngalolu hlelo ngithi ngiphuma ngoNomathemba kuvele kuyiphumela kungenela engazange ngababiza but ke yasekuvele kwenzeka okuthizeni but ke it's okay asivele siphume ngalena ke.